What is up? It's your boy Aing bringing you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we got a very scary one. We're gonna be removing the SR5 badge on our truck. Now, a lot of you guys told me to leave it. A lot of you guys told me not to. A lot of you guys told me you didn't care about it. I think I'm gonna remove it. As many no's as I got, as many yeses I got. It's in the middle. But me personally, I just don't know. I don't feel comfortable with it there. I don't feel like I'm ashamed of an SR5. So don't get that. That's not what the point of this is. I just would rather remove it. We're gonna remove it. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it because a lot of people are like, hey, I want to remove mine. Let me know how to do it. Let me know how it goes. What equipment did you use? So that's what we're gonna be doing in today's video. So let me get everything prepared and we'll go from there. All right, cool. So this is what we're gonna be removing today. This SR5 badge got to go. From what I've understood, it's a fairly simple removal. I even saw some dude like literally going with his fingertip and just pull it off. Pretty sick nasty. Not gonna happen on this channel. Hopefully it works out. So let's start off with what you need. Number one thing, you need some floss or a credit or debit card that you no longer need. Hair dryer. Some people use a heat gun, and then an extension cord. Some people even need a little bit of glue gun. I bought it just in case. This is actually a lot better. It's like $3 at Walmart. Some people say it's too rough for the paint. Other people say it's just fine. I'm going with the just fine. I've used it on other things and it works just fine. We're gonna heat this up until, at least when I was working on another part, it felt like when it was hot to the touch is when you want to remove it. You want to make sure that you're not burning the paint. You want to try to focus as much as you can on this itself and kind of move it back and forth. You should be good to go. So that's what we're about to do now. Let's hope it goes well. All right, so let's get started. I'll probably just speed this up. All right, so we're gonna go in. This is just me first attempt. I would recommend pulling up against the badge, not up against the paint. And if you can wear gloves or have something, or if you know some type of way to use fishing line a little bit better than I do, where it's not hurting your fingers so much, because I'm definitely losing circulation. All right, so let's heat it up a little bit more and see what we can do. They say to use something that isn't really important, like a card that isn't very important here. I'm just gonna use my ID. Kind of work your way around it. All right, cool. So this one did not come out as good. We got all of the badging off, but we left all the goo here. So not a problem. This will come off rather easily. I am going to wash the truck after this either way, but there we go. One badge is off. We just got to get this off now. Usually when stuff goes wrong like this, I used to be upset, but now it makes for better content and I can help you guys out. So I guess what I would say in this case, maybe heat it up a little bit more so that it sticks more to the SR5 badge and comes off. Fairly simple enough. I think it'll all come off once I get the glue gun on here. I'll put a little bit on and make sure I get the rest of this stuff off. So we got most of it off. I'm gonna do the rest once I'm actually washing the truck. 9 minutes. 9 minutes is where I'm at, and well, it's gone. There's just a little bit of goo that's left, and well, we got goo gone for that exact reason. All right, so we finished up. This is the passenger side. We just finished up. All the goo gone is gone. All the goo is gone. All the soap and stuff that I used is gone. Now let's go to the other side, because unfortunately we have some bad news. I took it off. Everything is good to go. And now I told Sandy to come look at it. She couldn't see it. And I don't even think you guys are going to be able to see it. But right there, yep, right there. I don't know how. Can't even begin to explain how. It chipped up a little bit. So the reason I wanted to remove this is because I wanted to add something of my own, some type of logo there. So it's not a big issue. I'm going to cover it either way, but it's a bummer that the paint is a little bit scratched. So we're going to wash the truck and then see how it all comes together. Hopefully it's not too noticeable, but yeah, I mean, it's a pretty big chunk. All right, so she's all done. I've washed her. I've dried her to the best of my ability. We're all done. One thing I want to go over as I'm going over the truck is something that I would advise. Now, I just did this. Would I do it again? Yes, I definitely recommend it. If you're going to swap it out, if not, if you're just going to black everything out, might as well just black it out. Would be no problemo at all. But for me personally, I wanted to switch it up. I wanted to put maybe my logo here or maybe something else. I don't want to say just yet because of course it's a surprise for the YouTube channel. Let me know what you guys think. I definitely think I made a good decision. If you are looking to remove it, one thing I would advise is maybe getting fishing wire and getting some type of glove that won't hurt you when you're pulling on the wire and pull away from the truck. If you do it with the card, it pushes this part out and this side in. So that's what got it here. I pulled it out and then I pulled it in and it hit it right there, scraped it up a little bit. Again, it's not that obvious, you can barely see it, but it is there. I just wanted to make sure that you guys were aware and didn't, you know, I didn't fake you guys out and make it seem like it was perfect. I think it came out super sick. I definitely like it better without the badge there. It just looks a lot cleaner. Once that's blacked out, it'll be blacked out and it'll have nothing else. Again, I wanted to maybe add something there and maybe something there. I'm not sure. But with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm Aing. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.